Hello and welcome to this tutorial of the Elementi software. Today we will be going over how to use the Facebook widgets. Facebook widgets are one of the many social media widgets that can be used from within the Elementi software to display data from your social media accounts. They're a great way to engage with your audiences and Facebook fans. Before we use the social media widget, let's go to cockpit.spinx.com and log into our account. You'll first want to make sure that your Elementi license is registered to your Cockpit account. You can do this by going to Register License and typing in your license key. You'll also want to make sure that your player is being monitored inside of your Cockpit account. You can do this by going into Elementi, going to Devices, right-clicking on the player, and going to the H&P Control Center. We'll simply log into our player. And from the home page of the Control Center, we'll just select Monitor by Cockpit. After you've done this, we'll go back to Cockpit and we'll go to the Channels tab. The Channels tab is where you can connect your Facebook account or any other social media or third-party accounts. So if you're using Instagram or Twitter, you'll just select your account that you'd like to connect to. And once you select this, you'll be asked to log in. So it'll ask you for your credentials to log in once you get to the page. You'll select Continue as Demo Spinetics. It'll ask you for some permissions. You'll click Done. You'll click OK. And now you're connected to your account. So now we'll go back to Elementi once we've connected to our account, register our license, and have our player that we're going to publish to monitored by Cockpit. And we'll just go to the bottom left to our Widgets tab. We'll double click on Facebook, but the same process applies to Twitter, Flickr, Instagram, Yammer, any social media account that you might want to connect to. They all work the same way. So let me double click on my Facebook folder, and I'm going to use the vertical table.svg and drag and drop it here to the right. This will add my widget, which is actually already configured to just show up. So I'll just resize it, make it a little bit larger. I can go to the right now and double click into the widget. You'll see where it says data, and you'll see a blue data symbol to the right of it. If I double click on this blue data symbol, it'll ask me to select my account. So this is the account that we just connected inside of our Cockpit account. So if I click on this drop down, I can select Demo Spinetics. Now I have an option to filter my timeline, so it can be my own posts, all posts, mentions. You can even filter by your max count, so this is the maximum amount of posts that you want to display. By default it's 10, but we can change it to anything that we want. It could be 8. Below that you can select refresh, so I can have it refresh when the document opens, or I can have it go out and refresh every 2 hours, or any other duration that you'd like to select it. If I click OK, you'll see that it's now going to pull my post from my Facebook account. I can come down below and change the slide duration if I want. I can add transitions. I only have one slide since I only have 3 posts. But if I wanted it to transition between slides that you see here to the left, then I could actually click on this arrow to change it. I can also enable looping. I can select the number of rows that I want to display here, or the delay per row. This is a very easy widget to use. All the social media widgets work the same and are great for informing your visitors and showcasing special events. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and have a great day.